Keep your friends for friendship, but work with the skilled and competent. Do not leave your reputation to chance or gossip. It is your life's artwork, and you must craft it, hone it, and display it with the care of an artist. Many a serious thinker has been produced in prisons where we have nothing to do but think. There is nothing more intoxicating than victory, and nothing more dangerous. Never waste valuable time or mental peace of mind on the affairs of others. That is too high a price to pay. When our emotions are engaged, we often have trouble seeing things as they are. People are more complicated than the masks they wear in society. Be royal in your own fashion. Act like a king to be treated. The future belongs to those who learn more skills and combine them in creative ways. No one is really going to help you or give you direction. In fact, the odds are against you. Never whine, never complain, never try to justify yourself. Person who cannot control his words shows that he cannot control himself and is unworthy of respect. The time that leads to mastery is dependent on the intensity of our focus. The human tongue is a beast that few can master. Any titles, money, or privilege you inherit are actually hindrances. They delude you into believing you are owed respect. Our natural tendency is to project onto other people our own belief and value systems in ways in which we are not even aware.